Hi guys! Welcome back to Franchise Republic, your franchise business central hub. Are you ready to dive in a sweet business opportunity that's taking the Philippines by storm? Imagine owning a franchise that's not only delicious but also crowd favorite. Today, we are uncovering everything you need to know about franchising llao in the Philippines. Let's get started. Founded in 2009 by Pedro Espinosa in Denia, Spain, llao has rapidly become a global sensation in the frozen yogurt industry. Specializing in natural frozen yogurt made from skimmed milk, llao offers a delightful combination of healthy and tasty treats. As of 2025, the brand boasts over 80 establishments across the Philippines. Their mission: to make a yogurt product that is widely accepted for its enormous health benefits, as well as its extraordinary taste, with their customers being the investors of their own creations, thanks to their infinite combination of toppings. Their vision: to be present worldwide, consolidating a stable, successful, and lasting business model. For the product menu, llao's menu is a delightful blend of healthy and indulgent options. For the frozen yogurt tubs, customized with a variety of toppings from fresh fruits to crunchy cereals. For Sano, a signature parfait layered with yogurt, fresh fruits, granola, or crushed biscuits, and dieseled with a choice of sauces, smoothies, and props. Refreshing blended beverages perfect for any time of the day. Waffles and yauglas. Delicious treats combining warm waffles with creamy frozen yogurt. Toppings: an extensive selection including fresh fruits like watermelon, banana, pineapple, kiwi, and strawberries. Crunchy options like almond croissanti, chips ahoy, dark conguitos, muesli, mostly with no added sugar, lotus caramelized biscuit, Kit Kat, Pop Choc, lacasitos, and walnuts, and a variety of sauces such as white choco crock, dark chocolate dulce de leche, white chocolate, fruit of the forest, wild strawberries, mango, green apple, passion fruit, honey, and nocilla. For the franchise packages and fees. For the kiosk package, franchise package is worth 4.5 to 6 million pesos with a space requirement of 15 to 25 square meters. For the inline package, the franchise package is worth 7 million pesos with a space requirement of 26 to 50 square meters. This investment typically covers various aspects of setting up the franchise, including general construction, franchise fee, equipment, POS, initial stock, yogurt machine, and other essentials. For the franchise inclusions, site selection assistance, expert guidance in choosing the optimal location for your outlet, store design and construction support, access to design prototypes and construction assistance to align with llao's brand aesthetics, comprehensive training program, in-depth training covering product preparation, customer service, and operational management, marketing and promotional support, strategic marketing initiatives to boost brand visibility and attract customers, ongoing operational support, continuous assistance to address any operational challenges and ensure smooth business operations. For the benefits of franchising, becoming a llao franchisee offers numerous advantages. Establish brand recognition, leverage a globally recognized brand with a loyal customer base. Proven business model. Benefit from a successful and replicable business framework, comprehensive support system, access continuous training, marketing, and operational assistance. Health-conscious product line. Capitalize on the growing demand for healthy dessert options. For the application process, number 1, initial inquiry. Reach out to llao Philippines through their official contact channels to express your interest. Number 2, application submission. Complete and submit the franchise application form provided by the company. Number 3, evaluation and approval. The llao team will assess your application and suitability as a franchise partner. Number 4, agreement signing. Upon approval, sign the franchise agreement outlining terms and conditions. Number 5, training and setup. Participate in the training program and prepare your store for launch. Number 6, grand opening. Open your doors to customers with support from the llao team. For the candidate profile, manage with management ability, with commercial vision and business knowledge, with interest in a healthy life, with entrepreneurial spirit, hardworking, passion for llao, with courtesy and respect towards customers, and commitment of the franchising. For the llao support, number 1, continuous training. Training of the franchise holder and shop staff. Training in the preparation and presentation of new products. Number 2, continuous operational support. Help in optimizing the business, advice on promotional campaigns, implementation and management of promotional calendars, advice on new sales techniques. Number 3, continuous innovation, always offering top quality products, creation and design of new formats, renewal of top quality toppings, and R&D in new products. For the contact information, for franchise inquiries in the Philippines, you can reach out via address 2902B West Tower, Philippines Stock Exchange, Center Exchange Road, Ortigas Center, Pasig City, Philippines. You can send them an email at franchising@llao.ph.com. You can contact their phone number 0915-663-1693, and you can visit their website at www.llaoweb.com. What are you waiting for? Start your business with the llao yogurt franchise business today. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe, like, and share this video for you to be informed on our next educational videos here at Franchise Republic, your franchise business central hub.